doing the Roadrunner calibration. I was just wondering if you could explain that to us.
Yeah, sure. So basically, the idea behind Roadrunner is currently with FTC, what we do is we have an open loop system, and what that means is we input a power and we input a time, and essentially the motors run for a certain amount of time at that power. The only issue is different distributions of weight and different powers behind like the motors, different drags, whatnot, can cause the motors to move at different speeds, causing inconsistent results. Therefore, what we're doing with the calibration process is what we do is we tune the PID controller inside the control hub itself. And what that does is it can actually make each of the motors move in its own sort of set way, such that they all move equally. And then we can control it based on actual measurements. So it almost creates a grid system for the field, and that's what's called the closed loop system. So now what we can do is we can say like move 5 centimeters to the right, and it will do that. So that's the idea, and currently we're going to use that for autonomous. We've also used it to make our drive controlled code way more accurate and a lot quicker.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, Sawyer, could you tell me about some of our robot's weak points?
All right. Some of the major weak points we've had are with the wheels and the gears, and also just the motors for the wheels. They haven't really been working very well together, very consistently for most of the time we've been working.
Thank you.
Prediction.
Like 75.
Yeah? Alright. Will, points prediction. 1 point?
1 point.
Points prediction, Adam.
240.
Nice. Nice. Can I get predictions for the robot? Like how many points do you think we're gonna get?
250.
Nice. Points prediction for the competition.
100.
100? Oh yeah.
Okay, well, I'm just curious, how many points do you think we will score at the competition this Saturday?
I think we're gonna score at least 200 points because we fixed our only problem with the cable, and yeah, we just really improved our robot. I think we're gonna crush it.
Thanks.
Coupons, told you from the beginning, upper echelon, I get the stacking up, I'm untouchable, I get to represent.
Okay, Abel, I know we've been having some issues with the slide recently, and I was just wondering if you could talk to me about how we've been working to solve those issues.
Yeah, so the issue with the slide that we encountered was someone accidentally damaged the slide by turning the robot upside down, which led to tension being lost in the string that raises and lowers it. So we attempted to fix that issue, but it ended up with the rope fraying. So we had to entirely remove the rope and rewire and re-thread the entire slide, which took a little bit, but the slide is working now and it's probably going to work better than before because it's been built back up to design.
Thank you.
You are the undisputed go to the box.
Okay, but here's the thing. I spun it, so I changed the type of mounting to the ones on the rear, which shouldn't have been the issue because it's not what the Go Velvet says, right? So originally when I changed it, I put everything back on, it started spinning normally, and then it just completely locked up. Like it wouldn't spin, and it was squeaking. So I took it back apart, put everything back together the same way, but none of the set screws are actually on. But the wheel's spinning normally, or with very, very, very little resistance. It's not a tiny bit of resistance, but it seems to be spinning normally. Are you correct? Okay.
This is good. This is good. This is good for the video.
So I think that the robot is going to work, but if that issue comes back, I don't know how to fix that. Don't put that part in.
Well, we're better off now than we were earlier.
Because I pushed it with my finger and it went in a straight line.
Okay. That's actually
that's all
that
I
is
think.
good. Let's go do the PID tuning test again, and then see what we can do.
No one knows what it's like to be me, be me. No P, just living life as a teen. Go downstairs, switching on the TV.
Sorry, can you tell us about the insane repair that just happened on the arm?
We went crazy. We went bananas. It was like an F1 pit crew.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah. Byron, how do you feel after that repair on the robot?
pretty stressed. That was pretty intense. Fun though. That was exciting. I enjoyed
All
it.
right. I think you guys did great under pressure. Good job.
I like the moon glaze, made money off beats like Blueface. I'm mint, no toothpaste, hear my voice, turn up the tunes, mate. Don't wanna be too late. Last night I lost my new chain, kicked their fence, they need a new gate. Put a double knot in my shoelace. No one knows what it's like to be me, be me. No P, just living life as a teen.
Well, what do you think the top 3 things we could work on are after our first competition?
So the first top 2 things I thought were the competition were first, obviously, autonomous. Second of all, we just need a bit more practice getting used to the sticks, you know. I think our drivers weren't really comfortable, they didn't know what to expect or to see, but if you have a bit more practice, we'll be that much better when that competition rolls around. And number 3, our grabber needs a little bit of redesign, because it functioned well, but we can make it faster and more stable when it grabs and comes. So those are I think the top 2 things you have to work on.
Thank you.
At Ascot. No one knows what it's like to be me, be me. No P, just living life as a